I'll put here. Oh my god. This is part 2 GappaMagix. Thursday, February 19th, 2026. I didn't notice this when I walked up here. This is all put here. And as well, I found this. That was sitting on the trail when I walked back. I'm gonna add to it and see what they think. I'm just gonna toss it onto it. It didn't do it how I wanted it to, but it's there now, kinda. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit here for a second. I remember last time I was here. Hey, it's starting to snow. Yeah, you can see it. I wish for, well, I kinda didn't wish it, but I hoped it would snow. And it's starting to. Gonna sit here for a little bit longer. I'm gonna go back real quick and show you that pattern one more time. That wasn't here before. Even if that big part of the tree fell down, that's not what the point of it is. Let me show you what the point is here. The point of it is that part that's sticking up, it got put there. That tree right there, that's not, no, it is. It is leaning against there. Oh my god. Yeah, it's leaning between there. That part's put there by itself separately and intertwined that part of it right there that way. And I'm not sure what it means really, but I do believe that it's all put here because this wasn't here last time. And if you look at the bark of the tree, it's not like that bark of the tree. Look at it closely. Okay, now look at that one. It's the same. Now you look up at the branches. That's still the same. It's not like them. Like I said, that's a put.